We're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a Bradford White 50-gallon natural gas water heater. Starting at the top, we give you a new shutoff valve straight out of Ferguson. So it's quarter turn on, quarter turn off, 3/4 inch full port ball valve. You have copper stubbed out already, so that's your copper stub out. That's the adapter that was already in place. Same thing on this side, on the hot side. That adapter is in place, so that's not our work. But from there, we gave you the new valve and a brass nipple. Falcon stainless steel connector down to a brass extension. All of these products flow very well. Copper, brass, stainless steel. Same thing on the hot side. Valve is not required. And down to a brass extension. These connectors are full 3/4 inch inside diameter, the largest in the industry. Also the most expensive, but that's what we like, that's what we use. Also the relief valve, this comes with the unit, safety. It's a safety relief valve, so temperature and or pressure, if too much builds up, then this will pop off and relieve that pressure. Falcon stainless steel connector down to the relief line that goes outside of the building and dumps out on the side yard. And then of course brand new vent up top, little adjustable 90, and then a piece of pipe down to the draft diverter, so that's good. Upper third, we've got you a brand new set of adjustable straps. Lower third, adjustable straps. We did give you a new gas shutoff valve and a new gas connector, and then of course we did cap this off. It wasn't too wet. You might have some trouble with the drywall that's around the perimeter, but you can do that at your leisure. This is cement board. They use that on shower walls, so it's waterproof, and just to cap it off and give it a nice base to sit on. And then we get a little cap here. This is a quarter turn valve for draining the water heater annually. You turn it quarter turn on, quarter turn off. We just put a little cap on there just so it's closed. Here we've got the water is set at hot, which is approximately 120 degrees. You can see here scalding risk increases with hotter water, so be mindful. A130, B140, C150, very hot 160. At B140, 3rd degree burns 3 seconds, so be mindful of that. So we just let it, give it about an hour and a half. You should have hot water. Outside of that, this installation is done.